just coming on because I did receive something yesterday. I thought, no, I don't want to share it. But I want to share it. It was so cool. I did order some new tray, and this I did think those tray here should have a little attention from me. So this is Fantasy Sparkling, yeah, very nice. I also got 10% off. I'm not gonna show you in my code, but yeah, this I did buy it on Etsy. Yeah, she only has an Etsy shop, and I did order this one. This one I did order. This one I did get for free. I did order for a little bit of money, you can see. Okay, so here you have extra little tray down here in this bottom, and I have a little stopper here so it's not gonna fall out. I love this one because this one I can take with me on a trip. If I'm going on a trip, I would love this one to use it. And this also have a stopper, very lovely. And I don't have any. Yeah, I can use some of. Let's see if we use this color. I'm gonna try to shake it a little bit. Oh, sorry. And I love with white. A little bit of white is also okay. So it's not the area. Oh, nice. The grid is lovely. Look how lovely this one lay right in it. The other one I have a little bit of problem, so I really love this one. Could try out the other one also. Okay, sorry. The smaller one. Yeah, absolutely love this grid. Wow, fantastic. And I love this this type of printed 3D printed and they have their logo on top. Very lovely. So that was a nice price to get for free. Okay, and this one I did order. Let's see. I did order 3 different of tray. I believe this is empty. So I really love this color. This is like blue and pinkish, kind of very nice. And you just slide this in. Okay, I don't want to. It's not been used, so it's not right on the spot. So very nice. The grid looks the same, some height and everything. And here's the stopper. It's good stuck in, so that's very nice. And this is dragon something color. I just love the sparkly on this one. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can see how nice it sparkles. I just had to have it. And also the logo is in front. Very lovely. This one is a little bit looser, but that's okay. I don't know how. Okay, we are gonna test them out. And this one I did think I did get the wrong one on this one. This one is purple, fully purple, but if I can get it going, oh, we have to wait a little because this one is kind of a special kind of see if I can do it. I love this idea.